Yeah. Jano, a whole heap of thing are going. You see me I say, some of my fans them say, yo, me not fi talk about no artist or nothing like that. You see me I say, but at the end of the day, me have to view, me have to talk for my opinion upon certain things. You see right now, I'll talk about Tommy Lee and alkaline thing. You get what I say? That's what the right now. You see me I say, right now me I see it. You see me I say, you see, me not understand what go on. What go on right now, me not really understand. I want the whole Jamaica to say, please, for your alkaline and Tommy Lee clash. You see me I say, cause when Tommy Lee saying, when alkaline go say he must clash with Popcorn. Popcorn and a clash artist done. Me not this man. Popcorn and a clash artist. You see me I say for cartel gone in a captivity now, one blood clot man can hold up a Gaza. One blood clot man can hold it up on a Tommy Lee. You see me I say Tommy Lee a real lyricist. You see me I say where we take down anything, chop down any blood clot thing still. A Tommy Lee a only man right now can hold up a Gaza. I swear. You see me I say, if you even put Tommy Lee with Movado, Tommy Lee will chop off all Movado head for show you what me they talk about. You see me I say, I want Jamaica to look into this and listen to what me I say and look into see it and see logics what me I talk about. You get what me I say? So what me I try to say right now, alkaline a baby, fryers, alkaline a fryers. You get what me I say? You see, Popcorn a party artist. You see me I say, no disrespect to Popcorn, but he's a party artist. You get what me I say? You see, alkaline are the real war artist. You see me I say, alkaline, me don't know what make people that big him up and I say, yo, I'm the wickedest thing right now. Me not see it. You get what I say? Alkaline is like a little boy just a come up and try a thing. You get what I say? And every man a ease off. A Tommy Lee and I want say, yo, making splash. Tommy Lee and alkaline for go at it. And that me I say. That's my opinion. You get what I say? Big up Tommy Lee. Big up Tommy Lee for your 300 million blood plate thing from the government where you win out. The money where you win out. You see me I say, big up on that. You see me I say, yeah. Cause what you see Caribbean thing, a favorite thing. And an idea. I'm show you a thing. You say an idea. It's when we create with style, you know mean to say we are go arm people with it. Dancehall music is lyrically, if you're going I think lyrically and say a war, it's lyrically just like a movie where they act. You know, mean to say a man go arm you. You see me I say? You see artists them good man, them not doing nothing. You see me I say? It's just the people them where they take music now upon a different level and I take it personal. That where the danger come. You see me I say? So you see another thing what I want to say right now. You see the artists them, you say when you come out and you make a name, say your name John. Just keep your music name as John. Nobody go say your name you're John but you're a revolutionist. You get what I say? And then now you go have a set of people them now your fan them go say, oh me a revolutionist. And then when some man say them a revolutionist and fuck up somebody around the corner now. And them say, yo, a revolutionist man do it, you know. Then come now, they calling you now. They calling you if say, police are come calling you, say, yo, come, you wanted. Come come report to the station because we need to ask a question. You get what I say? So you see if you just call a name and just give a name as John alone and say that your music name and you don't have no gang name to your thing, you're good. You see me I say? Because that the Babylon them I use right now. I feel say all them things the way cartel all get locked down. You see me I say? But the cartel case kind of complicated, brethren. I swear to God. You see me I say? But cartel will come back a road. You see me I say? I'm going to want cartel come back a road. Because yo, you see, no for a man them they hype up and they go on the most way. They will not go and say. Even Tamil, even Alkaline, you will not go and say right now. Alkaline will not go and say. True cartel they incarcerated, why am I going so? Cartel, Alkaline a coward. You see me I say? A coward that. Because blood clot, Alkaline and Tommy Lee in a plane. Saying, Tommy Lee they on the inside there, so I him there on that corner there, so and he want to go piss and can't, I'm afraid if he say excuse. He afraid if he say tell Tommy Lee excuse, he want to go use the restroom. You see me, I just say excuse and pass. I'm afraid. You see me, I say, and when Tommy Lee come talk, he must say a lie. You see me, I say him name want to go use on restroom. You see me, I say, me travel. You see me, I say, me live America right now. The first travel me travel at Trinidad, a 4-hour flight. I have to use restroom. You see me, I say, and me travel come America, and when me live, me have to tap at Atlanta and then me come a blood clot down south. You see me I say, you have to use restroom. So when time Alkaline I say, I lie that. I don't know lie. Man a coward. Cause man come, Tommy Lee come on stage and say, yo, Alkaline a coward. And I swear, I know say I'm a coward. That's why he no call Tommy Lee name. He call Popcorn name, cause I know say Popcorn a party artist. Popcorn, even Popcorn a sing about gun and this and that. You know say film thing, cause for your party man, he's a party man. If he's a killer lyrics man, he's a lyrics killer man. You see me I say, Tommy Lee is a lyrics killer man. You see me I say, so him not call Tommy, him afraid of Tommy Lee. You see me, a coward. You see me I say, and the whole most of Jamaica, they oh. And you see some media people are afraid too. You see me I say, some media people, them are afraid because them are put up him man, and I say, yeah, him a run things. Him not run nothing, brethren. Him not run nothing. Because I'm a coward. Him coward till he not him want perform at Jamaica. And at this Beenie Man. You can't this Beenie Man, brethren. Alkaline, you can't this Beenie Man. Beenie Man never back down. Beenie Man never diss no people in Jamaica yet. He always a perform. Beenie Man always a perform. Beenie Man love perform till he not even want bust nobody. A blood clot, the angel in bus. You see me I say, I know me I see my boss one that you not remember my name. You see me I say, we all a man love the music. A Bounty Killer boss enough his artists them. Big up Bounty Killer. You see me I say, big up Bounty Killer, ground God. You see me I them man they boss enough his artists, brethren. You see me I say, Beenie Man on go boss the angel and me see my boss one youth right now. I don't remember why youth name. You see me I say, I swear. You get what I say? So at the end of the day, you cannot diss Beenie Man. And that's why enough you say Alkaline forget 3 hard boxing and blood clay. You see me I deal with? Yeah. Remember me tell you that. Because at the end of the day, you cannot diss the general them who come from back in the days. You can't diss them man what they build music. You can't see man build something and then you want to come wreck it and change it for your way. For your way not going to work. You see me I say, cause me live America, you know, and the people them gravitate to the older music them. The man them from back in the days. Our Super Cat and them man they. Super Cat and them man they live over here so. And them man they no stop tour, said way. You get what I deal with? Them a make them money, said way. You see me I say, so you see in newer youth them have to come up. And make people know them and thing. You see me I deal with, me not say Alkaline no good enough. Me never say that enough. Me never say Alkaline no good enough. Me respect every blood clot artist. But You see, if you come and say, yo, you splash and you call up man and man, name and man, and you lick some wild shot, you see me I say, or some subliminal this, then. I man, answer, and point it for you, point the rifle for you and say, yo, what you may deal with, and you don't want blood clot answer, that means you're a coward. You get what I say? That means you're a coward. You see me an artist. You see me I say, and me no fear no artist. You get what I say? Because right now, if a man attack me, it's easier for me boss. Because I in idea, if a man say something, me have something more to say. The lyrics go just come quicker. You see me I deal with? So, I saw a thing work. That's why Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, them work together. And them not, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man are friends, you know. Shabba and Ninja, them are friends, you know. Super Cat, the whole of them are friends, you know. Beanie, I mean, Cartel and Mavado are friends, you know. You see me I say, and not true here me I say, yo, I want to see Tommy Lee and Alkaline Slash. I want to see it because it's a fun thing to the music. But I an idea. Me not take it like some people personally. Me not take it personally. Me respect you whole of artists them. Because I love young youth. You get what I say? I respect you whole of artists them and I want to see the thing a go on. You get what I say? Some I say, I want to see the thing a go on. You see me I deal with, but big up to all of you them, said Speed. You see me I say? And big up to Alien. You see me I say? From Mumpella, Mall Road, St. James. You get what I say? And you don't know, this is easy. The girls them want to know the baby come from Chilimus Anchovy. Reside to Mumpella. You get what I say? St. James, what they said we you know. And then now, me still resided to United States. So, an idea is a cycle thing. Man, if I come back to Jamaica, because I deal with cycle. You get what I say? Cycle coming like a round circle. You get what I do? I deal with cycle. So, me there, so, I do my thing. That's why I have to go up on the YouTube, go and give me views them and make people them understand when I go on. Jamaica, you go see me come in a place. Said way, you get what I say? That's how the thing said. But Jano, Jamaica, please, ask for the Alkaline and the Tommy Lee clash now. Request it now. We want to see fun. Because, alright, I'll show you a thing. It now going to be, when Slash go on, somebody have to win, you know. Somebody have to win. But I an idea, the two artists them go be on top, said way. Just like Cartel and Mavado. Just like Beenie Man and Bounty. Cause remember when I go to high school at Beenie and Bounty. You see me I say, and but back in a few time, we never used to fight. You see me I say, if Bounty win this era, my friend them say, yo, Bounty win and you lose and thing. But I an idea, we are friends said we never fight, we just laugh about it. And I say, no man, Bounty never win or whatever. You see me I say, or Beenie never win or whatever, but we now fight. So these are the things we want the young youth them. If you see two artists a clash, do not fight about it. Do not take it personal. Because in idea, when they make them millions, brethren, they not give you none. They not give you none. Then go about them business. So not take it personal and fight your brother, brethren. It's just a fun thing. You get what I say? If you can get somebody and come up and create some tune and say, oh, now go splash, you go and go do it. You see me I say? But no fight, brethren, and kill off no one another over two artists. Because them not give you none of them money, blood. May I tell her that? You get what I deal with? May I tell her that? So, that may I show you. You see me I say? So, we just want to see that little thing that go on, you know what I mean? And know, say, yo, I say, yeah, I'll make, cause, yo, if it's clash go on now, Alkaline lose. Alkaline fans them go say, Alkaline win. And Tommy Lee fans them go say, Tommy Lee win. So, an idea now, once you keep it that way, everybody go enjoy themselves, everybody go have fun and no war and go on. And you know, if you know, say no war and if you go on. You get a man deal, that's how the thing said. You don't have to worry about that. You see me, but a young youth, them and them have the energy and them have a talent. You see me, I say, put them up. Jamaica, put them up, brethren, and nobody with the foolishness. Put them up and see what I go on. You see much money. You see much money Tommy Lee win because them disrespect him and he go a court and sue 300 million US. You see me, I say? Yeah, 300 million US. Something like that. You see me, I say? So, in idea, it work out to 300 million Jamaican. May I mix up the figure. You see me, I say? May I drink right now still, and that cause a problem. But anyway, the man have to sue them. Because them are diss him. The 3 man said demons and him something. It's just a fake thing. Just like how them put the cartoon and they movie them on the TV. And those people what they disrespect him and them are watch them they sitting there. Said way. And then pick me and watch it. You see me? I just said thing coming in music. So that's why I tell them I said don't take your music personal. And go on with no foolishness. You see me? I say big up all our artists them. Big up everybody. Anchovy, Mount Carey, Cambridge, Montego Bay, Kingston, Mandeville, Flanker, Bloodcliff, Falmouth. Yo, the whole Jamaica, love you know. I swear to God Almighty, love you know. Just look out for me, man. Me so come out, you know. No say nothing, man. Big up everybody, man. You don't know. I swear. Easy the girls, I'm on a lonely baby, and I'm go the girls and get crazy. Shut it down.